Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're making a chocolate avocado mousse with citrus marinated berries. Let's get started with the ingredients. Place the chocolate chips in a small microwave-safe bowl and place in the microwave on medium-low for 1 minute to start. Place the avocados, 1/4 cup agave, cocoa powder, vanilla, salt, and melted chocolate into a food processor. Blend until smooth and creamy, scraping the sides of the bowl to make sure the mixture is even. Place the mousse in a quart-sized Ziploc bag and place in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to set. Wash the berries and place in a bowl. Add 1/4 cup agave, orange zest, and stir to coat. Cover the berries with plastic wrap and place into the refrigerator and let marinate for 15 minutes. To serve, place the marinated berries in your desired serving dish. For this recipe and more, please visit kta superstores.com/recipes.